bracket 8 raised to the power minus 1 minus 9 raised to the power minus 1 bracket closed whole raised to the power minus 1 divided by bracket 4 raised to the power minus 1 minus 9 raised to the power minus 1 bracket close whole raised to the power minus 1. So here we have negative exponents. What does negative exponent means? Negative exponent can be defined as multiplicative inverse of the base raised to positive opposite of the power. So multiplicative inverse means if x is a number, then its multiplicative inverse will be 1 upon x. And if x is raised to the power minus n, then it means the multiplicative inverse of x and the base, which is x, is raised to the positive opposite of the power, and positive opposite of minus n will be n. So x to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon x to the power n. You can understand this in this way. If 2 is raised to the power minus 3, then it means the multiplicative inverse of the base 2, that is 1 upon 2 raised to the positive opposite of the power. So positive opposite of the power minus 3 will be 3. So 2 to the power minus 3 is 1 upon 2 to the power 3. We understood negative exponent. Now in this question we have two parentheses. Within this parenthesis we have subtraction, and between these parentheses we have division. So this is a question of order of operations. Order of operations means that we conduct these operations in certain order, and we remember this order through this mnemonic called PEMDAS or BODMAS or BIDMAS. These all stand for the same thing. So P stands for parenthesis. It means first we solve the parenthesis. B stands for bracket. Both are same thing. Brackets are also of different kinds. This is the smaller bracket. This is the curly bracket or the middle bracket, and this is the box bracket or bigger bracket. First we solve the smaller bracket, then the curly bracket, and then the box bracket. After parenthesis we solve exponents, order or indices. When 2 raised to the power 3, then 3 is the exponent and 2 is the base, or 3 is the indices of 2. Order is also the same thing. M stands for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. But don't get confused that in PEMDAS we first have multiplication then division, while in BODMAS we first have division then multiplication. They don't have any precedence over each other. We group them together. Multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. Whichever comes first from left to right. So if you get multiplication first from left to right, you solve that. If you are getting division first from left to right, you solve that. But after solving parenthesis and exponent, then only you solve multiplication, division, and after that you come to addition, subtraction. And with addition, subtraction, you also follow the rule of left to right. Now let's solve the question. If you want to solve the question, pause the video and let me know your answer in the comment section. So according to the PEMDAS rule, we first have to solve the parentheses. Since these parentheses are separated by this division, we can solve them simultaneously. Now within parentheses also you have to follow the PEMDAS rules. So first we will have to solve this exponent part. 8 raised to the power minus 1 means multiplicative inverse of 8, that is 1 upon 8, and positive opposite of the power minus 1 will be 1. So we don't need to write 1, simply we write 1 upon 8. So 9 raised to the power minus 1 is 1 upon 9, and whole raised to the power minus 1. We are not dealing with this exponent right now because we will first deal with this parenthesis, then we will come to this exponent. Here also 4 raised to the power minus 1 is 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 9 whole raised to the power minus 1. Now LCM of 8 and 9 is 72. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 9 multiplied to 1 is 9. Again 72 divided by 9 is 8. So 8 here, whole raised to the power minus 1 divided by LCM of 9 and 4 is 36. 36 divided by 4, 9 is your quotient, multiplied to 1, 9 minus 36 divided by 9 is 4. So 4 and raised to the power minus 1. So this is 1 upon 72 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 5 upon 36 raised to the power minus 1. Now within parenthesis we have solved the operation. Now let's deal with this exponent. 1 upon 72 raised to the power minus 1. So multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 72 will be 72, because 1 upon x is the multiplicative inverse of x. So if you have to find the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon x, then it would mean 1 upon x. That means 1 divided by 1 upon x. Then you convert this division into multiplication, and then we write the reciprocal of this fraction. So this becomes 1 multiplied to x. So multiplicative inverse of 1 upon x will be x. So multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 72 will be 72 divided by, and 5 upon 36 multiplicative inverse will be 36 upon 5. Now we are left with this division, and likewise we did here, we converted division into multiplication. So 72 multiplied 5 upon 36, we can divide 72 by 36. 2 times 36 is 72. Answer is 10. What is your answer? If it was 10, well done. And for more such videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.